Hi guys, today we're going to be showing you how to set up and use the Y watering system. The system consists of one central control unit that has an LCD screen, the solar charging panel, as well as other electronics inside, and two electronic tap timers, which at the moment aren't connected to anything for the purpose of this demonstration. So first of all, we're going to reset the Y watering system and show you guys how to set it up on the screen. And so it tells us it's attempting to create server, and now the attempt is unsuccessful because we're just setting it up and we haven't entered any Wi-Fi details. So to set up server, we need to connect to YWall1 on your phone. So we'll jump over to the phone. Alright, so we're going to click on settings on the iPhone and go into Wi-Fi settings within that. And we're going to click on YWall1 when it pops up. So YWall1, they'll come up with a login page and we click configure Wi-Fi. And in here it will scan for Wi-Fi networks. It finds our internet, which is MyRepublic, and I'll enter the password, which I'll block out, blur out, so you guys don't see it. And you click save, and that's all you have to do. Y watering will connect to the internet. Now, as you saw in this example, the Wi-Fi Manager portal popped up automatically. If this is not the case, just enter 192.168.4.1 into your browser to access the portal. Okay, we get the message server created successfully once we've entered the Wi-Fi details, and it tells us to access server at 192.168.1.6. We'll now head back over to the phone. Now, just a reminder that without port forwarding, Y watering system will only be able to access on the local network. So make sure you are connected to the same network that the Node MCU is connected to, otherwise you won't be able to access the server. Alright, so we're just going to open up Safari and enter 192.168.1.6, just like instructed on the Y watering system. As you can see, the console opens up with the two statuses. We're going to click the share button down the bottom and slide across until we get to add to home screen, and enter Y watering as the name, and we'll save this just like an app on the home screen of the phone. So there it is. We click and open it up, and there's the Y watering control center. Now, as you can see, there is a button on the side of the central control unit. So once the setup process is complete and the LCD screen is no longer necessary, this button can be clicked and the screen will turn off. This is just a power saving measure. Okay, now that the central control unit LCD screen is turned off and that the system is connected to the Wi-Fi and the server's been set up, we have attached two watering systems, or two hoses, to the ends of the tap timers, and we're going to test it out. So we've turned the system on, and we'll just follow this hose over and try turning it on. Alright, so as you can see, we're a long way away from the Y watering system. We've got a hose here. We're going to click on the server. As you can see, the hose turns on, and now we click off and the hose turns off. We're now going to use the Y watering system to turn the sprinkler in the garden on and then off. Alright, this is the end of the Y watering system tutorial. I hope this video makes it easier to set up and use, and overall gives users an easier way to water their garden.